Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about warts. Warts is a viral infection and is most commonly found on hands and feet and is highly contagious. Don't worry, we'll provide you with some simple remedies that you can try at home. Crush a few garlic cloves and apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and wash the area properly. Repeat this twice a day for about a week for relief. Soaking warts in plain hot water helps to soften the warts and will heal them quickly. This will also help to fight against virus and prevent infection. For making it more effective, you can even add a little white vinegar or Epsom salt to it. Take 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. Mix it well and apply this on the affected area. Repeat this twice a day, once in the morning and evening for relief. Thanks for watching. I hope these remedies help you. Do like this video and subscribe to Style Craze for more such videos.